The LG V20 user here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A10e from Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new phone from Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now as of July 15th, 2019. So this is a budget phone from Samsung, so do keep it in mind. So this is what the A10e looks like. You guys see that it does have a teardrop notch there. And it looks like the rain button and power button are it looks like they're on the right side, the power button and the rain button. And then there's it just have a curves, they just have like a curved screen and stuff. I think it's 18 by 9 screen, I think, or 19 by 9 or something like that. So, yeah. So, the Galaxy A10e has a 5.83-inch HD Plus display that is 720 by 1560 pixels. You have an 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front-facing camera, which is a wide angle, and you have 32 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. Alright. The Galaxy A10e is free with a port-in to Metro by T-Mobile, and it's $169.99 for retail price. Alright. So, I wish it was a bit lower, but you know that it's a Samsung phone, so you know, yeah, about 170, it's alright, I guess. Specs when I do reflect that. So, yeah, you guys see the teardrop notch. On the bottom, we have USB-C headphone jack and speaker. On the back of the A10e, you guys have a single rear camera, camouflage Samsung logo. On top, you have a noise cancellation microphone. There's a phone right there. On the left side, you have, I think you have your SIM tray. On the left side, I think your SIM tray. And then on the right side, like I said, your power button and volume burner on the right side. Alright. So it says here, with the Samsung Galaxy A10e, you get exactly what you need with performance and reliability from a brand you can trust. Do more with a long-lasting battery. Keep all your stuff with a 32 GB built-in memory, and experience it on a 5.83-inch edge-to-edge infinity display. Finally, the phone you need to keep connected with friends and family, and at just the right price. So the A10e does have 4G LTE, of course, 5.83-inch display, HD plus TFT infinity display, 8 megapixel main camera with LED flash, and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Screen can double in brightness to serve as a flash or selfie, so this has like a screen flash and stuff like that, so it's pretty cool. 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. It's probably in Samsung processor in this, which I'm 100% sure that it is Samsung Exynos. 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 512 gigs. It has long-lasting battery, talk, text, and share more, infinite display, Android and edge-to-edge, and expandable storage. Add up to 512 gigabytes with that micro SD card. It has 3,000 mAh battery. Long-lasting battery. With that long-lasting battery, the Galaxy A10e gives you more time to press, talk, and text, share with family and friends. Don't worry, keep it all. Keep more with 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, so you can keep all of your photos, shows, movies, and apps without having to delete to make room. If you need more storage, expand your memory up to 512 gigabytes with a micro SD card. Alright. I'm guessing with a 512, I guess within 5, I'm guessing with a 512, the right curve, you can start to 100,000 further according to those. Go edge to edge. And draw a bold, bright, viewing experience on the 5.83 inch display. With an infinity display that goes edge to edge, you can see more story before you scroll. Capture the moment. The A10e lets you make everyday moments special. Take crisp, clear photos with the 8 megapixel rear camera and perfect subways with the kids on the 5 megapixel front camera, right? Y'all listen to the little video here if you guys want to check it out. Specs on this phone. This is a budget phone, so you keep it in mind. You have 32 GB of internal memory. About 21 gigs is available to the user. 5.83 inch HD plus display TFT. You have an 8 megapixel reversing camera flash and 5 megapixel front camera with selfie flash. 5 GB of external storage with a hotspot. 20 hours of talk time. Android 9 Pie. 1.6 GHz octa-core XMS. Processor 5.9 ounces of the phone. That's how much the phone weighs, is 5.9 ounces. Hearing aids and software. You have accessories. If you guys want the accessories, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A10e on Amazon. Alright. So there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A10e. Now available at Metro by T-Mobile for free reporting or at $169.99. So if you guys do this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you listen out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.